Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Madhushri and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So as you have read by the title, in today's video we will be comparing Caramel Cascade by Paris Corner and Eclair by Lattafa. The reason why I'm shooting this video is because 3 months ago I had received 2-3 comments stating that please do a video by comparing these two perfumes. One is Caramel Cascade and Lattafa's Eclair, and here I am today with this video to show and share my honest review and opinion about these two perfumes. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, let's start off with Caramel Cascade by Paris Corner. This is how the packaging looks. It's very cute. I mean, very sparkly, very mushy, very glittery. I kind of like the packaging, and I have heard a lot about these perfumes, that it smells like honey, chocolate, caramel, drizzling sprinkles and all that. And let's see if it is. It's a 100 ml bottle and it costed me around 2,200, something like that. I will leave the link in my description box so you can check it out. Okay, first of all, just look at the bottle. How pretty is the bottle? It's so good. I just admire the cap. It's really, really good. And okay, now coming back to the scent. Okay, honestly, I smell like rotten milk. Like, not me. The perfume smells like rotten milk. Like, I don't know, like they said that कि अगर आप इसको 2 to 3 months, if you make the perfume sit for a while, then the smell will start off really pretty. But this particular Caramel Cascade has been sitting on my shelf since the past 2.5 months, or no change, not a change whatsoever. Because when I smell it, it's very, it's sweet, but I don't know, the caramel and milk is not at all, blended well together. Like, for some reason, it smells a lot like root beer mixed with milk and honey. So everything is just, spoiled. Like, that's how it smells. Like, I am not at all getting the fresh, soothing smell. It has become very musky. It's supposed to be gourmand. It's supposed to be very creamy, caramelly and nutty. That's what I expected this particular perfume to be, but no, it's just not blending well. The projection is also not at all good. But overall, the muskiness, like once it dries down, the muskiness that I'm getting is really good. It's strong, but it's still like something that I was not expecting from this particular perfume, because it's supposed to be very creamy. It's supposed to be very like milky, aromatic, crunchy kind of a smell. Because it's Caramel Cascade, I thought it's gonna be like caramelly and a very purely gourmand scent. But the vanilla is like it's just not going with the other components that are infused in this particular perfume. Matlab, it's not just me. I think a lot of you guys who have already smelled this will agree with me कि इसका इतना hype क्यों है, I don't know, but it's just not that wow factor for me. It's just a little bit sour, like the smell of a bit sour milk once you first spray it on your body. And it said that if you make the perfume sit, spray it and wait for 30 minutes, then the smell will literally project really good. But I have tried it and no, I have miserably failed, because the perfume is the same starting से beginning, it's the same, but once the perfume जब body में settle down होता है, it just gives those musky root beer and tobacco scent. There is one more perfume that I have that I'll be reviewing soon. It's Tobacco Vanille by Paris Corner. It kind of smells like that, and that one is an amazing spicy vanilla fragrance. We'll get into that later, but this is kind of giving me similar vibes to that perfume. Matlab thoda bahut it's similar to that, but this is more strong in a negative way. Like, muskiness hai, which I am liking it dry down mein, but once you spray it, you're not gonna like it. Like, जब तुम अपने body में इसको spray करोगे, you're just gonna get that very artificial, synthetic, alcoholic smell. Like milk and alcohol mixed together. Like, it's just not the perfect kind of a milk that you are expecting. Like, वो I have a lot of perfumes with me which has milk in it, जो बहुत ही creamy है, बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं, it's like a milkshake. It's just very very well combined with all the other ingredients, but this is just not hitting it off. Like नहीं हो रहा, it's just not working for me. I don't know if it's working for you guys जो ये own करते हैं, and if there is someone who is willing to buy this perfume, let me tell you, if you're looking for something milky, caramelly and fresh, fruity, juicy, gourmand, this is not the perfume for you. It's strong, it's very sour, it's very artificial according to me, and people say that it is a dupe of Bianca Latte. I am so sorry. No, it is not, because I have smelled one of my cousin sisters, she has Bianca Latte, and they do not smell alike. I prefer Bianca Latte more than this one, but you already know the notes, and it is doing justice to the notes, but this one, not even close. Not even close. The only thing which is similar is the strong, like woody and musky scent with thoda sa hint of vanilla in it. That's the only common factor that you will find between these two perfumes. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. It's completely different scent, and I don't know, जिन लोगों को ये perfume पसंद है, you guys will know that, yeah, even though I personally do not like this, but it has a really good long lasting capacity to it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा देर तक it lasts for me around 12 to 13 hours. Yeah, I had worn it once घर पे ही, so 13 to 12 hours तो आराम से it lasted, but I just did not like the smell at all. I just don't know what the hype is about. So मेरा वही रिक्वेस्ट होगा जिन लोगों को लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ही कैरमल gourmand सेंट है. नो, लेट मी टेल यू, इट इज नॉट. यू आर नॉट गोना फाइंड इवन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ gourmand, creamy, mild, juiciness to this particular perfume. So buy it at your own risk. So yeah, this was Caramel Cascade by Paris Corner, and yeah. One more thing that I like is the packaging. The packaging is really good. Fragrance अच्छा हो या ना हो, packaging बहुत अच्छा है. So yeah, this was Caramel Cascade by Paris Corner. The next one that I have with me is Eclair by Lattafa. I just love the way it's been packaged with the like chocolatey drizzle. It's very symbolic packaging. It just resembles the drippings of chocolate melting, on it. So yeah, this is Eclair by Lattafa, and let me tell you guys, you will not be disappointed once you apply this. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. I'll be careful with it. When I received the bottle, the perfume was thoda bahut leaking, but then I did some politics and then I fixed it. I did not, my dad did, but I don't know what he did. He just stopped the leaking, and oh my god, just look at the bottle. How pretty is this? I mean, how can something be so pretty? Just look at the architecture, look at the art behind this bottle. I mean, whoever, designed it, hats off. It's one of the most prettiest perfume bottles that I own in my collection. It's so good. It's so good. It's unique and it's very different. So creative. I really love it. I hope you guys can see how the packaging looks. It's really good. And this is also, very, very heavy. The bottle is, it's 100 ml. It's a 100 ml bottle, and the entire bottle, including the cap, is so heavy. Oh, it's not leaking. No, it's not leaking. The entire bottle is literally very, very heavy. Okay, now coming back to the fragrance, I have already used it, so still it's heavy. I have been using this after my shower. You know what, before I tell you guys about this fragrance, before you guys go to sleep, spray this. Not much, only one spray is more than enough on your pillow, and you're gonna get the sleepiest, dreamiest sleep and dream once you spray it, because it's so cozy, it's so comforting. I have done that, and I have gotten, कभी कभी क्या होता है, like once you don't get to sleep, मतलब नींद नहीं आती, sometimes it happens. So you can just spray this on your pillow and the smell will instantly make you fall asleep. No, it's not like that, but yeah, it's a very divine smell. Now coming back to the fragrance. Okay, this is so good. This is so good. Like, it's the right amount of vanilla. It's just everything is perfect. There is थोड़ा बहुत caramel के notes इसमें है, vanilla है, and I feel like there is patchouli also, because I do not know what exactly ingredients are infused in this bottle, but let me tell you the main ingredients that you will be getting is थोड़ा सा amber, a lot of caramel, chocolate nahi. You won't get chocolate, maybe white chocolate, but not dark chocolate, and a lot of creamy whipped vanilla in it. It's such a fluffy and, you know, captivating smell. It's just perfect, and I would suggest, instead of buying this one, you should literally go for this. Yeah, this is thoda zyada expensive than this one, but it's definitely worth the price. I had to pay 4,000 for this one, but it's really worth the price. It lasts for 1.5 day for me. Like, 1.5 दिन तो ये जाता है. 1.5? Yeah, I'm very bad with Hindi numbers, so 1.5 दिन, 1.5 day it lasts for me on my clothes as well as on my body. You're not supposed to apply perfume on your body, but this one I did, और अभी तक तो कोई allergic reaction हुआ नहीं है, but do not try it because perfumes are not supposed to be, you know, worn on your body. So yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा अल्कोहल होता है, वो आपकी स्किन के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता है, एंड इट हैज़ 20% परफ्यूम ऑयल का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विच मेक्स इट लास्ट सो लॉन्ग. द स्मेल इज जस्ट टू डाई फॉर. इट्स जस्ट लाइक, आप लोगों ने बचपन में, द पीपल हु आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रॉम इंडिया, यू माइट नो दैट इन योर चाइल्डहुड डेज यू मस्ट हैव हैड दैट एक्लेयर वाला चॉकलेट, दैट चॉकलेटी क्रीमी मुंह में पिघलने वाला. इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. इंस्टेड ऑफ मेल्टिंग ऑन योर माउथ, इट जस्ट melts on your body बहुत ही अच्छे से. it just settles on your body once you apply it. और इसका कोई starting ending smell नहीं है. it's just the same throughout. the projection is very very good, very versatile fragrance, बहुत प्यारा है. it's just the right amount of everything. जो भी इसमें है it's just perfect. मतलब कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं लग रहा है. it's not overpowering, it's not nauseating, it's just the perfect amount you deserve. Like, this is really a gem. And I would really really recommend everyone. जिन लोगों को gourmand scents बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you need to try this. You need to get your hands on this. और looking at the packaging ना, लोगों को लगेगा ये 20-25 हज़ार का है, because it just gives those, you know, luxury scent vibe, but it's not a luxury scent. It's a very basic scent, and the vibe it's giving, like इसका look, इसका सब कुछ, it's just so, you know, posh. it's really really good. I'm just loving the packaging. it's just so good. I mean, I just love कुछ ऐसे perfumes है, like from Lattafa, like the Yara one which I did the video. उसके बाद I did Lattafa Kamrakwa. Yeah, I did a video on that. So yeah, those fragrances are super affordable, and the way it has been packaged, you'll feel like, oh my god, कितना होगा इसका प्राइस? बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, but no. Expectation versus reality is completely different. The way you expect, real life में वो बिल्कुल उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. So yeah, this was Eclair. और again, before I end this video, मुझे यही बोलना है, please go for this one, because it's so natural. बहुत ही sweet, और बहुत ही, क्या बोलते हैं, what's that word, बहुत ही, you know, pure scent है. it's really soft, it's, you know, very catchy, and people will literally give you tons of compliment when you apply this particular perfume on your body. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and it's a compliment getter also for the ones who will be wearing this. और एक और चीज़ मुझे ये बोलना है कि you can wear this particular perfume whenever you want, any time of the day, because it's that amazing. So I would just recommend everyone to, you know, buy this, purchase this. थोड़ा ज़्यादा expensive है, but it's really 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 worth the price, worth the money. It's just an amazing scent, and you should really give this particular perfume a try. You will love it, and you're never gonna regret it. So yeah, this was Eclair by Lattafa, and you can definitely give this a try. And I just love this fragrance. So yeah, you can purchase these, and you will get a very nice discounted rate for this particular perfume. So yeah, आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही था. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So don't forget. So yeah, तो आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही था. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The links will be left in my description box so you can check it out. The website from which I purchased these perfumes is called Perfume Palace. You can definitely purchase it from that particular website. 100% authentic products आपको मिलेगा because मैं अपने Arab fragrances वहाँ से ही मंगवाती हूँ and it's 100% original. And yes, if you have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite perfume, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay blessed.